Welcome to day 20.
Day 21.
This old man. So this one is another one where the harmony is an oompa style, and it's kind of fast. We're going to be playing This Old Man. I will count off, melody, then harmony. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Harmony. 1, 2, 3. If you found yourself wondering why we played it twice, there's a repeat. That's what the 2 dots at the end mean. Bounce back to the beginning. It's almost like pinball. It's boom, right back to the beginning. If you like this and it helped you, give it a thumbs up or accent. And if you have any questions, comments, write on Bam Potato Instagram. Thanks.